hello again. So for today's demo, we're going to be looking at acids and bases. So an acid is anything that has a pH of less than 7. Most acids that you can actually like eat or taste, they kind of make your face go, they're sour, like lemon juice or vinegar. If you smell it, it kind of makes your face scrunch up. That's an acid. A base, on the other hand, has a pH more than 7, and the ones you can eat kind of taste bitter or salty. So you may have seen a basic, simple reaction before of baking soda and vinegar. Both of these things you probably have at home. Now, before I show you what it does, in case you haven't seen it before, think about this. You have acid in your stomach. Your stomach acid, if you could like rip your stomach out and pour it onto the table, it would almost eat a hole through this table. That's how strong your stomach acid is. Sometimes your stomach acid goes crazy and starts bubbling up and gives you heartburn or upsets your stomach. So, in those cases, you take some Pepto-Bismol or some Tums. Pepto-Bismol and Tums, those are bases. You're taking them to try to neutralize your stomach acid. So right smack in the middle with a pH of 7 is water. It's neutral. Less than 7 is an acid, more than 7 is a base. Water is neutral. So when you add a base and an acid together, two things are going to happen. You're going to get water, because it's neutral right in the middle, and you're also going to get a gas that forms. So when you take Pepto-Bismol or Tums because of your upset stomach or heartburn, two things are going to happen. You're generally going to have to pee more because you made a lot of water, and you're also going to probably burp or fart because you made a gas. So simple reaction, acid and a base, it kind of fizzes up like that. I'm making a gas and I'm making water. Now, that gas had to go somewhere. I can smell it in my room. But what would happen if I trap that gas? We're gonna find out. So I'm gonna add some baking soda to my Erlenmeyer flask here. Side note, I'm gonna make a mess. It's inevitable. That's what's gonna happen. But that's why I'm doing this in my lab and not at my house. You know what? We want a pretty good reaction here. So I'm gonna add quite a bit. Break up some of those big chunks. All right. Here we go. Gotta go kind of quick on this. I told you it would go kind of quick. I lost the top, it's gone now. Now here's the thing. If you do this at home, do not do it with a bottle that has a screw top on it. Because if you screw the top on, what's gonna happen? Your whole bottle might explode. We do not want that. Instead, what you can do, this is how you can do this at home, is if you have a film canister at home, okay, I know, film, who uses that anymore? But if you have a film canister or something that has a snap top, it's perfect. We want a snap top. And I know it's a precious commodity right now, but toilet paper. So let me find part of my toilet paper that's not ripped here. I know you might have to fight somebody to get some toilet paper, but you don't need a lot, I promise. Okay, just a little bit. And what you're gonna do is you're gonna put some baking soda right in the middle of that toilet paper. And you're gonna kind of fold it up like a nice, neat little present. Now the whole purpose of the toilet paper is that the vinegar is going to have to soak through it before it gets to the baking soda, so it gives you a chance to put the top on. It just buys you time, that's all. Then you're going to pour vinegar into your film canister or container, whatever you're using. Probably only need to fill it like halfway. Ooh. that was a little more than halfway. All right. Now, again, you saw how fast this went. Make sure nothing's above you. What I'm gonna do, I'm gonna drop my nice little folded paper, toilet paper full of baking soda. I'm gonna drop it in there and put the cap on real quick. You ready? Here we go. Ah! Make sure you're doing this like somewhere that doesn't have carpet. That's all I can say. And there you go. There's your experiment you can try at home. And the fancy terminology is you are neutralizing an acid and a base. Nice little chemical reaction you got. Hope you enjoyed it.